Good morning, everyone. Mustang Week 2021, the day we've all been waiting for here at Mustang Week in Myrtle Beach. Absolutely stoked to be here. Cars are coming in by the hundreds. It's going to be an absolutely amazing day. Record-breaking numbers, not to mention this beautiful South Carolina weather. So I gotta hop back in the booth. We got plenty of giveaways planned from some of our awesome vendors. So be sure to stay tuned because we got plenty of coverage for you.
Congrats, man.
All right. 901190. All right. There you go. I like the shirt, man. Thanks. Oh, wow. My buddy will be on. Next up, another certificate. This one's from Roush Performance. Any Roush Mustang axle back exhaust, excluding active, for 2005 plus. Pretty good. 901317. 901317.
Next. Let's hear it, cheer for that person up in here. Yeah! Now let's cheer for the next number. 90. Sorry, got carried away.
901394. There we go.
Thank you.
All right. Our friends over in Belgium hooked us up for this one. Any set of four flow form lightweight wheels. 2005 plus, set of four. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Say 415.
We're supposed to be happy for
Yeah.
him. Congratulations, man. All right. Is that good enough?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Do we need to do it again?
No, we did it live.